Hi, my name is Carolyn Burbach. I have been coming to Sujin Cho's for acupuncture for about 10 sessions. I came for originally fertility, and she's been treating me for both fertility and digestion, and I'm seeing great results. I've had a lot of relaxation, which has helped a lot in the IVF process, which, as anyone that knows, going through IVF, it's very stressful and it's very overwhelming. And I've really noticed that even though I was on intense hormones the last month, I've remained really calm. And my husband even recommended or noted that I was, very calm throughout the entire process. And I'd like to thank her for that. I intend to continue coming here throughout my process of my IVF fertility journey, and she's great. She's calm, she's knowledgeable, and I recommend her to anyone.